Jag vet inte.
Och det är min dotter. Hon ska åka till Spain på lördag.
Hej då.
På 3 veckor.
I do not go
Oj,
to see
oj,
me
oj.
in 3 weeks.
Nagbe-breakfast siya. Dahil yung lola niya, susunduin siya ng alas 10. Nagpupunta sila sa grocery. Ano nila ngayon, vacations sa school.
Vacation. Working också.
1 week.
Working också.
Pero, but, hon ska åka till Spanien på lördag.
Working.
Yeah. Mag-work siya doon 3 weeks.
Daycare.
Yeah.
Nursery school.
Nursery school daw. Go-work siya doon. My future teacher.
Teacher!
Yeah. Men lugna dig nu detta.
Jag ska äta bara. Jag tror jag tog för mycket smör.
Yan, nagbe-breakfast siya. Hindi siya gaano be-breakfast. Breakfast lang niya. Yan, bread. Yan lang. I cannot imagine. She was a baby before. Now she's 19.
18.
No, 18. Oh my God. You're 19 now.
I forgot. It's not braining yet in my head. I'm 19. Someone told me how old I was. I say 18.
You was 19 now.
Men I think att jag fortfarande fyllde 18 this
Oh
year.
my God. 19 na siya. She was 19.
I'm 20
in
next year.
January 17 when she become 19. I was 19 when I married her dad,
I'm pregnant with me.
and then 20 when